I, Julius Kiplang at Korir,
do swear that except with authority of the President, I will not directly or indirectly reveal
the nature or contents of any business, proceedings,
or contents of any business, proceedings, or document of the Cabinet committed to my secrecy,
except as may be required for the due discharge
of my duties as such Principal Secretary. So help me God.
Let me first and foremost congratulate the men and women who today have taken the oath of office to serve the Republic of Kenya as principal secretaries. From me and the entire administration, congratulations to you. Congratulations for the opportunity the Republic of Kenya has given you to serve in the high office of Principal Secretary. The people of Kenya have very high expectations of this administration because the people of Kenya demonstrated faith beyond measure in electing this administration against many odds. Let me ask each and every one of us, as I told the cabinet secretaries during their swearing in, that the jobs and the responsibilities and the positions that you have been given are not private positions, they are not family positions, they are not community positions, they are positions to serve the entirety of the people of the Republic of Kenya.